So as you can probably tell by the title of the video and the thumbnail, today I got in half of my Supreme order. I'm still waiting on a couple accessories, so hopefully those come in the next couple days. I haven't received any like shipping notice on them, so hopefully I get them in the next couple days. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I don't though. I don't really know how Supreme does that. I've never really had that problem though, so I'm not too worried. I've received items before without getting a shipping notice, so I'm just expecting that's what it's gonna be. And I'll probably get them like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, hopefully, but we can just pray that I get them. But for the items I did get in, I'm super excited to show you guys. These were the main things I wanted this season, which is pretty much the main things I get every season is the bags. So today I'm gonna show you everything I got, including the stickers. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Also, if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button on the video. I'd really appreciate it. So now let's see what I picked up from week 1 of Supreme. So I'm gonna just start off with the free gift and the stickers, just because those aren't really big, but every order gets this paratrooper, so I'll probably open this up and do a review on it in the future, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So now on to the stickers. First sticker I got, the scratch off box logo sticker. I was hoping I was gonna get one and I did, so that's pretty cool. I was just hoping to get one because one year I didn't get the special box logo sticker and I was kind of like a little sad, but I actually got this one, which is really nice. I'd like to collect these, so hopefully in the future I'll be able to get some of the other ones, but some of them are really expensive, so we'll just have to wait and see. And then here's another sticker I got. I don't know what this one's called. I'm not really too big of a fan of it. I know there's a t-shirt for it. And then also, I think this is the Mary J. Blige sticker, I'm pretty sure, but not too sure. And then it's like fake signed on the back, as you can see. But sometimes these photo stickers I think hold value pretty well, so I'll have to hold on to this and see what it does in the next year or two. We'll see. But overall, I thought I'm pretty happy with the stickers. I don't really know what the other stickers are. I haven't watched any videos. So maybe from my next order, I'll be able to get another box logo sticker and some of the other ones I don't have. So hopefully when my order comes in, I get some of those. That'd be really cool. So now on to the bags. So I got 3 of the Supreme bags this season, all in black. I didn't like any of the other colors, and I'm just gonna hold on to these, and usually black does the best, or it's like the most reliable for resale. And I got all these in the same order, which was nice, so I got to save on shipping. I didn't have to pay it the $10 like 3 times, so that'd be kind of tragic. But here we go, just got the shoulder bag, the straps inside. I'll probably do a review on this just so you can see it close up, but it's just pretty small. Here's my hand, and then here's just a regular box logo sticker. It's pretty much the same length as one, so it's not too big. I know last year's was a bit bigger than this, but this is like a different shape. So we'll see. This is actually a lot cheaper than last year's also. Last year's shoulder bag was like $88 for some reason, I don't know why. And then this one was $48, I think, so a lot cheaper, so maybe this one will go up just because it's not really expensive. It also comes with this little clip, which I don't think the other ones have done that before. So really nice bag. Make sure to stay tuned for a review of these. I don't know what I'll do them. I'll probably do them within the next week or so, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Next bag I got, black waist bag. This is also really nice. This is actually a lot bigger than last season's bag, I think. I'll have to see. I might do comparison videos between these bags and last season's bags, so if you want to see that for all the bags, make sure to comment down below that you would want to see that, because I have the backpack, the shoulder bag, and the waist bag from last season, and I have like the little pencil pouch also. So if you want to see comparisons to it, make sure to comment down below and I'll do one for all 3. It'll be a separate video just because one long video for all 3 bags would be kind of long. But again, this is a really nice bag. I think this will hold value after the season goes just because it's really big and it has Supreme pretty big, and I just think it looks pretty cool. This is definitely better than last season's in my opinion. I like these bags a lot better than last season's just because of the design. Because last season, if you didn't know, it had like Supreme all over it, and I just didn't think that looked as clean as these ones do. So I think these bags will definitely do better once the season's over. I think these will go up a lot more than the last season's one did. So now on to the last bag, and it's my favorite one from the drop, and it's the backpack. This backpack's really nice. It's pretty big. It's kind of all like pushed together right now just because I just opened the package, but I think this bag's really nice. If you haven't seen pictures, there's like 5 clips that go all the way around, and there's Supreme on top, so I think this bag's really nice. I would use this as personal if I get another one, but I'm just gonna hold on to this one right now. And I definitely do need another backpack, but I don't know if I want to use this one. And then also, if you didn't know, I've never seen this on a Supreme bag. There's like this little phone strap or like a little phone pouch. I don't think a phone would fit in it, like these kind of phones these days. But if you get the Supreme burner phone, that might actually fit in this. So I'll do a closer up review once I get around to it. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Don't want to go too much in depth, just so you can see it in the review. But this, compared to last season's, I like this bag a lot more just because it looks better, and it might, I don't think it's bigger, but I could be wrong. But just from judging both of them next to each other, this one looks bigger, but I don't think it has more pockets. But we'll have to see during the review and the comparison video. But that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what you picked up from this week's drop. Like I said, I still have 2 items left to come in the mail, so I'll make another video once those show up, if they do. So hopefully they show up so I can make a video on those, and I'll do a review on both of those too. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post those videos. But that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.